Okay. So now another package, how to call one package class and interfaces in another package, how to call. So this already I covered in case of methods, but same here, methods only we are doing. So let's go and call this. So here, right? So you can call anywhere. Maybe here I'll call interface methods. Okay. Create a new class. Call interface methods. Call interface methods in another package. Another package. So take the main method. Okay, so now see again same procedure. So interface. So object reference equal to new implementing class. Which class implemented the implemented class? So interface is here shape, right? And s equal to which class you want to create object? I want to create object for circle. I'm going to give value. So 6.5. Okay, 6.5 I'm giving. But why it is throwing error?
Import, sir. Need to import stuff.
You need to do import because another packages, right? So you see two imports has come, but which one is your shape? Your shape interface. Which package your shape interface is available?
Oops programs.
Oops programs. You have to choose the right package. Don't select the first, this one is there and directly that. Okay, so make sure you give this and circle. So import circle also. Okay, so and so I have given the value. Now you call the methods. So one time import, see import statements, it will add above the class, below the package. So package name dot class name, package name dot interface name. So import them. Then you can call all the methods. So call void method. Void method, how can you call? So object reference dot void method. So this is all covered pretty much in the previous classes. Again, you should not come back. So I don't know anything about these things. So then how to call void return type methods. Again, see, I'm repeating methods completed a month back, but still I'm covering that again and again and again. Every day you will use methods only. That's why you have to give one more time, you go and refer the methods, all the formulas. If you are not following, it's all your, you cannot crack the interviews. Okay, maybe that is not going to ask in the interviews, but work-wise you will suffer again. Work-wise you will suffer once you enter into the company, if you don't have these basics. Okay, so return type method means it is returning a double data area val equal to s dot get area method. So you can print the shape area is plus air val. So call return type method in print statement. Shape perimeter is plus s dot get perimeter. Okay, and then how to call default methods. Object reference dot, so default method. So s dot run method. Next, how to call static method of interface. What is the formula I have given? Answer. So interface dot static method. If it is a return type, again return type method you have to give it. So here, so return type method we have, so you have to give data type variable equal to interface dot. How to call static return type method. So return, because it returns int cube val equal to as shape. Shape is the interface. Get cube value. I can give 6 cube. So that's how we can cube value is plus cube value. Okay, so that's it. And next, how to call constants. So this is the one of the very important point. These constants, interface constants, you have to pass as an argument to another method in the Selenium. First, you should know this concept, how to call interface constants. See, everything I'm giving very clearly, but if you're not getting, please let me know, okay? So interface dot constant. So I'm just going to print it. So shape constant value is, so the interface name, that is shape dot, see, min watts. So these are the basics you need from interface. Okay, so let's execute this. See, all those values, and you can create object. For example, you don't want circle, you create object for other. Then that logic it will execute for these methods. Which class object you are creating here, that's a matter here. Based on that, that method's logic will be called. This is called overriding. At runtime, it is deciding. That's why this is called runtime polymorphism. This. So it's deciding, okay, which method has to call based on object. At runtime, it will be decided. Are we good? Any questions? So the last topic is in the interface supports multiple inheritance. So what is mean by this? So that means interface supports multiple inheritance, means one interface can be extended to multiple interfaces. That's a supporting. Okay, so let's right click, create a different interfaces. So I'm creating a runnable interface. So this is already, this runnable interface is available in the Java. So this is one of the interface, predefined interface. So you can declare you can declare your own run method, abstract methods, void display method. See, I'm creating one duplicate method, that is display method. So different interfaces, I'm creating a duplicate method. Next, create one more interface. Showable. See, I'm not writing abstract keyword here. Directly I can write show. You duplicate method. Next, one more interface I'm creating. Printable. See, all the interfaces you can create. Wide print. Wide display method. See, one method, common method, I kept it. So I want to say here, previously in the class, when you keep the duplicate methods, and when you extend those classes to one class, and it is getting a confusion, right? Compiler. But here there is no confusion. I'm going to extend now printable extends. So extends means interface extends another interface, but not class. See, I'm going to extend runnable, showable. Like that, you can extend multiple interfaces to one interface. This is called multiple inheritance is supported in case of interface. But in case of class, multiple inheritance is not supported. So any questions, guys? Any questions?
Sir, now which display method is going to?
So now are you going to create an object for the interface?
No, sir.
Then so you have to implement now, right? You have to implement now this one, right? This interface. Let's implement that. So I'll create another class. In the class only you can implement, right?
Yes, yes.
Then you will create an object only for a class. First implement them. Multiple inheritance demo. First implement them. How you can implement? So how you can implement the interface methods? In
another class.
This is the class, boss. So this is the class. Here we are going to implement now. But how you will do that? How will do implementation in the class? How will implement the interface methods in the class? What is the structure you need to write?
Sir, we need to create objects.
Interface name.
Implements keyword you have to write. Implements, then interface name. Okay, now this is extending into multiple interfaces. Now what will happen? You implement this interface automatically. These methods and also these interface methods also it is going to be implemented in this class. So I will implement printable. If I implement printable in this class, now you have to implement the printable methods as well as the which interfaces are extended to this interface. So runnable and showable methods also you have to implement. See that when you add unimplemented methods, see that you are getting a logic for run method, show method, print method, display method. So display method one time has come or 3 times has come? Hmm?
Thanks.
Then where is the confusion will come? There is no confusion, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what, even if you add a duplicate methods also, while implementing them, only one time it will catch. One time method only you need to implement, not duplicates. You don't have that problem here. That's why, so Java supports multiple inheritance in case of interface. Okay, so now all are implemented methods. Now you create object for interface, so not for interface. So you reference, so printable, the interface name. So object reference equal to new, implemented. This class is implementing, so that class I am creating object. So now you call with this object reference. That's it. See, you don't have any duplicate methods. It will call them whatever the method you want. See, so this is the how it supports multiple inheritance. So in case of interface. Okay, that's all about the OOPS concepts. And last one, I want to cover object class. So object class is the super class for all the Java classes. So on top of object, there is no other class. So if anybody asks what is the super class of Java classes means, so the answer you have to give object class. So object is the super class for all the Java classes. So what is the other way you can use object class? If you don't know data type of anything, so some elements data type you don't know, you can use an object as a data type. So that is one. What are the object class methods? Even you just put object reference, so it will list out all the methods. So object class methods are so one by one, let me show you here. We just put a dot. See, equals method. So equals method, what it will do? It will compare the two objects. Get class method. See, this is guys, you can see from where this class is coming. Equals method return type is a boolean and coming from object class. Get class method, which returns a class type. Object class it is coming. Next, hash code method, which returns a integer value, and so object class it is coming. Notify method, so it's a void method coming from object class. Notify is a single thread will be to wake up, and notify all means multiple threads will be notified. Then what is the next object class method? ToString method, very important. So equals method, ToString method, hash code method are very, very important. ToString method, what it will do is any object you want to convert into string format, then you will call on that object dot ToString method. It will convert into string format. Then wait method. So it will wait. So default some wait time. Otherwise, you can give particular time. So and there is one more special method, that is finalize method. So finalize method. So this is the finalize method. What it does is it will be used while garbage collection is cleaned up. So garbage collection means unused objects are there in the system. The garbage collector will pick up them and cleans them. So continuously. That process is keep going continuously. Okay. So that process time, the garbage collector, daemon, default garbage collector is a daemon. So the daemon garbage collector will call this method. Okay. So which object you want me to clean up first? That will be finalized by this finalize method. So that time the garbage collector will take help from this finalize method. Which object you want me to clean up? So that will be used while garbage being collected. So that's the finalize. Okay, what you can answer? What is meant by finalize? Means finalize is a method in the object class which is used to call or invoked during object being garbage collected. So that's the answer you have to give. Okay, so that's all about methods of object class. What are the methods? So you have to give equals method. So equals method returns object obj, that's a parameter, and then toString method and hash code method, very important, hash code method. So any object address, heap address if you want, so which returns a integer value, and notify method. So it wakes up the single thread, notify all. So then wait method. So then we have a get class method. So these are all the different methods of object class. That sometimes they will ask in the interview, what are the different object class methods? Okay. So that's all about we are perfectly done with the OOPS concepts and basics. And tomorrow we'll start another topic, that is exception handling. Yeah. Any questions before closing?